Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. White color, black color, blue color, red color, green color, and the last one is yellow color. So kids, now we are coloring numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 0. Now we are coloring numbers. Kids, first we using blue color. 1. Now we are coloring 1. O-N-E 1. We using blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids, the next one is 2. Again we using blue color. Two T. Kids, now we are coloring 2. T-W-O 2. The next one is 3, and we are using red color. 3. We are coloring the number of 3. Kids, now we coloring the number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4, and now we using black color. Kids, now we using black color and coloring the number of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now we coloring 4. Now we coloring 4. Kids, the next one is 5. 5. Kids, now we use white color. 5. Now we are coloring the number of 5. F-I-V-E 5. The number of 5. Kids, the next one is 6. 6. Kids, now we using green color. S-I-X 6. Kids, today we are coloring numbers, and now we are draw the number of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids, the next one is 7. 7, and we using yellow color. Kids, now we using yellow color. 7. The number is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. The next one is 8. Kids, now we coloring 8 and using again blue color. Now we coloring the number of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8. Kids, the next one is 9. 9, and we using red color. N-I-N-E 9. So kids, now we coloring the number of 9. The next one is 0. Kids, the next number is 0, and we using black color. Kids, the last one is 0. We use black color. Kids, now we are coloring alphabets, A to Z alphabets. First we using red color. A for apple. A for apple. Now we coloring and draw B. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, the next one is C and we using blue color. Now we using blue color. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Kids, now we are draw F. F for fish. F for fish. Now we coloring G. G for goat. G for goat. Now we using black color. Kids, now we are draw H. H for hand. H for hand. And now we are draw I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. And now we are draw J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. Now we using white color. Kids, now we using white color and draw the number of K. K for kite. K for kite. Now we using again white color and we are draw L. L for lion. L for lion. Kids, now we using green color. Kids, now we are using green color and draw M. M for mango. M for mango. Now we are draw N. N for nest. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange. Now we using yellow color. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, the next one is P. P for penguin. Now we are draw Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Kids, now we using red color and draw. Kids, now we are draw R. R for rose. And now we are draw S. S for sun. S for sun. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. Kids, now we using blue color. T for tiger. T for tiger. Kids, the next one is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Kids, now we are draw V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. Kids, now we using black color and draw W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Now we are draw Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, the last one is Z. And again we using black color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.